today we're going to install this driver's side rear view mirror on this 2011 Chevy Silverado. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to grab the pigtail and slide it through, then connect the mirror through there. Alright, just like so. Let's go ahead and go inside and let's secure it down using the 3 nuts that go here. Alright, so let's go ahead and put these right into here. Alright, and we're going to use a size 10mm to secure these down. Sweet. Alright, let's go ahead and put the little stuffing that goes right here. Now let's go ahead and run our pigtail and pass it behind this metal bracket here. And let's go ahead and connect our pigtail. Perfect. Now we're ready to mount the door back into place. Let's go ahead and align this weather guard. And then we'll mount the door. Just pick it up. Make sure you go over the lock and go right on to the latch here. Sweet. Make sure, give it a nice little shake. Make sure everything nice falls into place. Sweet. Alright. And just start hitting it in all the way around. And yes, you too. Let's go ahead and put this into place. This is going to go just like this here. Have the bolts already there. This one is the shorter one. This one is longer. So let's go ahead and mount this into place. These will all take 10mm. Alright, and let's go ahead and put a bolt right here. And then there's 2 more right in there. Alright, and once you have all those secured, let's go ahead and put the little lock just like so. Secure there. There it is. Let's go ahead and put all of the covers back into place. I believe this goes maybe like this. Yes. It's a place just like so. Then this one goes down here. And this ring goes right where the bolt is at. Just like so. Perfect. Grab this one here. This one. Just have to line it up. And this one's a little bit tricky. Alright, and there it is, nice and solid. And that is how you install the driver's side rear view mirror on this 2011 Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.